Top 5 Best Film Cameras for Beginners. Number 5. Nikon FM. Are you looking for a camera with the look that gives the best experience? Nikon FM film-based, manual SLR camera that uses 35mm film is the best camera with a vintage look. It is also an affordable film camera for beginners but comes with enough settings for manual function. Features possess you to learn and grow your confidence in photography. It also comes with metering systems that are accurate and versatile. It is also compatible with other digital lenses of the Nikon family, helping for excellent exposure while taking pictures. The lens that is unable is all Nikkor AFD, AIP, AFI, AIS, and AFS lenses. Since this is a manual camera, you'll need to manually focus the lens when using an automatic focusing lens with it. Pros. It is fully mechanical. Compatible with any digital lens. Cons. As it is fully mechanical, it creates noise. Coming in number 4. Leica 10371MA. If you are looking for the best SLR camera with modern precision, the Leica 10371MA is a great choice. This camera has special features by utilizing modern precision production and optical engineering. It gives a vintage feel reminiscent of analog photography. The Leica MA 35mm film rangefinder camera is famous for its simplicity, is completely a mechanical camera, and requires no battery for operation. This mechanical exposure control offers a shutter speed of up to 1/1000th dot. By using a rear ISO dial, you can determine the film speed. It aims to fulfill the requirements of the novice photographer, but anyone with a basic knowledge of photography can also make incredible film photos with this camera. With its large, bright 0.72 times viewfinder and precise rangefinder mechanism, it is capable of manual focusing with M-mount lenses and parallax-corrected compositional framing. Its sleek design features silver-colored chromed brass top and bottom covers, and an all-metal body design, to offer durability. Pros. It is a full-fledged film SLR camera. It has versatile manual control. Cons: expensive. Need to have basic knowledge before starting with this camera. Coming in number 3. Olympus OM1. Olympus OM1 is the best budget-friendly for the features it possesses. This is also one of the smallest and lightest 35mm single-lens reflex cameras. It shoots 8 images with 1/2 pixel offsets per shot to boost its resolution to 80 megapixel. This is a perfect choice for beginners because it isn't expensive. It also has more advanced settings that you can work up to as you learn more about the camera. This camera contains an air dampener to absorb the shock of mirror movement. The camera has a faster sensor and processor which allows it to shoot blackout-free at up to 50 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure. It also has noise cancellation and shock absorption while shutter operation. It is durable and capable of withstanding 100,000 shutter operations. The production of Olympus OM1 includes rust prevention technology for the steel materials used to reduce weight. It also passes through pentaprism processing technology, heat treatment, and surface processing technologies to maximize durability. Pros. It is easy to use. It is fully manual. It is a great option for students and hobbyists. Cons. It is not durable and might get damaged soon if proper care is not taken. Coming in number 2. Nikon FE2. Nikon FE2 is one of the best cameras for beginners due to its value and versatility. Nikon FE2 single-lens reflex has a focal plane shutter that offers a speed range of 8 to 1/4000th second in bright light conditions, plus a bulb and flashes X-sync of 1/250th second. This compact and lightweight camera looks rugged and is built with copper aluminum alloy. It stands as a viable option for travelers due to its portability and durability. It comes with a manual focus SLR for manual exposure control and electromechanically controlled aperture priority for auto exposure. It also features a brighter viewing screen and electronic flash automation. Its improved electronic control with 8 honeycomb pattern blades reduces the shutter speed to 3.3 milliseconds from 3.6 milliseconds. Pros. It offers high flash sync speed. It has a maximum shutter speed. Lightweight. Cons. It does not work as well in dark mode. Coming in number 1. Canon AE1. The Canon AE1 or AE1 program is the best overall film camera for beginners due to its reliable functionality and inexpensive price tag. Canon AE1 is a single-lens reflex camera with automatic exposure and a focal plane shutter that accepts interchangeable lenses. This camera includes an internal light meter for those wanting to shoot in manual function. It also consists of a switch to automatic function and a wide selection of lenses. This AE1 works without compatibility issues with Canon FD 55mm f1.2 SSC, Canon FD 50mm f1.4 SSC, Canon FD 50mm f1.8 SCC. It is also compatible with Canon breechlock mount, Canon FD, FL, and ER lenses. It features a viewfinder that is fixed at eye-level pentaprism to cover 93.5% field of view vertically and up to 96% horizontally. It comes with an aperture scale with a meter needle for viewfinder information and a stop-down meter that shows the battery charge levels. Pros: it can be operated both manually as well as automatically. It is the best choice for beginners. Lightweight and easy to handle. Cons: expensive. Repair may be difficult.